Hi, my name is Sneha Babaria. In this presentation, I am presenting my ML model coursework where I implement and compare the two classical models, support vector machine and KNN, KNN with the tune K weightage and SVM with the tune and kernel weightage. The project was developed in the Python using the Jupyter notebook. I used the scatterline for the model training, transfer for the loading the dataset, and matplotlib for the seaborns for the visualization. I used the two dataset. First was the fashion MNIST with the grayscale clothing image and CIFAR with the CRFAR10 with the RGB object image with the high complexity. For both dataset, I fluctuate the image into the vector, normalized the pixel value, and applied the standard scales to standardize the future value. For model dataset, I use the training dataset and testing dataset. For the confusion matrix, for the confusion matrix, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 source for evolution matrix, and model comparison and justifications. They in this project there are these types of cover. First, I trained the fashion MNIST. Uh, Load the dataset with the fashion MNIST and use the training dataset is the 255, testing is the 255, and for the SVM fashion MNIST I used the training dataset was the 5000 and testing dataset is the 1000. Same has a KNN. Use the 5000 for training and testing for the 1000. Training SVM on fashion MNIST. This is the out of SVM on fashion MNIST, and this is the KNN fashion MNIST. First SVM on fashion MNIST accuracy is 81 percentage, frequency is the 82 percentage, F1 source is 81 percentage, training timing was the 0.90 second. SVM Fish, this is the SVM Fish and MNIST confusion matrix heat map. For KNN, training timing is less, 12.47 second, and accuracy precautions F1 source is around the 81 percentage. After I create the Sifara load dataset, for Sifara load dataset, I use the same as a training dataset 5000, 1000 testing dataset, but I use the grid search for Sifara 10. On Sifara 10, SVM on SVM on 34 percentage average and KNN on 29 percentage. On KNN Sifara 10 take the less time 99.67 second, and on SVM Sifara 10 take too much time 177.60 second. And this is the comparison. SVM Fashion MNIST take the high quality, and KNN on Sifara 10 is too low with the 30 percentage to 38 percentage accuracy, struggle with the RGB complexity. But in SVM, very efficiency and on grease cycle. This is the model comparison. Thank you so much.